What up? It's your girl Josie Uwe Lee again. I'm gonna sing a Darnell Jones song called "Where I Wanna Be." I'm gonna do acapella, so if I mess up, oh well. But nah, here we go. Me. All right. I should have left my baby boy a message. Said I won't be coming home. I'd rather be alone. He doesn't fully understand me. 'Cause I'd rather leave than to cheat. If you give me some time, I can be the woman he needs. But there's a lot of lust inside of me, and we've been together since our teenage years. I really don't mean to hurt him, but I need some time to be alone. But when you love someone, you just don't treat them bad. Oh, how I feel so sad. Now that I wanna leave, he's crying his heart to me. How can I let this be? I just need time to see where I wanna be, where I wanna be. Sweet little dee. I don't mean to hurt him, baby. Oh no, never did I imagine that he would play a major part in a decision that's so hard. Do I leave? Do I stay? Do I go? I think about my life, but what matters to me the most? For the love that we share is real, and in time your heart will heal. I'm not saying I'm gone, but I have to find what life is like without you. Oh, but when you love someone, you just don't treat them bad. Oh, how I feel so sad. Now that I wanna leave, he's crying his heart to me. How can you let this be? I just need time to see where I wanna be, where I wanna be. Anyway, hit me up. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like it, whatever. Just